Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are again back with our videos. Hope you people are doing really well. This video will gonna be interesting and will surely improve your communication skills. Today we are here with some words that we are probably mispronouncing in our daily life. So if you are one of these, this video will be of great help. Keep watching till the end. So let's begin. The first word is pronunciation itself. It is basically pronounced as pronunciation, but as you can see, there is no noun in this word. For example, Sita has a poor pronunciation, but we basically speak it as pronunciation, which is totally incorrect. Moving towards our next word, which is often, and it is basically pronounced as often. But we should always remember that T is silent in often word. The next word is etc. It is basically said as etc., which is correct, and sometimes people say etc., which is totally incorrect. The next word is women. Many people pronounce it as woman, which is wrong. The next word is vehicle. Usually people pronounce it as vehicle. He has a beautiful vehicle. It is not vehicle. The next word is comment. Most of us use Facebook, Instagram, and there we use this word comment. Between some of us, some people say comment, which is totally incorrect. The next word is hotel. Many of us pronounce it as hotel, but it is hotel. That means the pressure is on word tel. It is tell, like we use for telling and all. It is hotel. It's not hotel. The next word is breakfast. A very common mistake that we do in a day-to-day life is we pronounce it as breakfast, but it is not breakfast, it is breakfast. The next word is synonym. We make mistake here in these three letters. We say synonym, but it is synonym in actual. The next word is just opposite of the previous word, antonyms, and we basically pronounce it as antonyms, but it is antonym in actual. Our next word is vitamin. He lack vitamin and minerals, but what we usually pronounce is vitamins, but it is somewhere incorrect. It is vitamin in actual. The next word is later, but we say it as latter, which is entirely wrong. The next word, potato. We usually call it as potato, but it is potato. Next, somewhat like the same, tomato, tomato, but we pronounce it as tomato. The next word, separate. Usually you have seen people speaking separate. It's not separate, it is separate, separate. Now the next word you can see is Wednesday. Usually people say today is Wednesday and I have a lot of work. But as you can see, D is silent in this word Wednesday, and the same thing is with the next word handsome. It is not handsome, it is pronounced as handsome. The next word is career. Career means a job or a profession that you carry along. But what do we usually say? Career. Career is something else and career is something else. The next word which we usually get confused with is education. And some people say it as education. In both the cases, I believe both are correct. Whether you say education or education, because education is something in American English and education is something in British English. The last word is robot. It is neither robot nor robo. It is rowboat. Now we are at the end of the video. Hope you all like it. Thank you.